Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with valuable tips and tricks to improve your overall well-being. Today's video is all about a common desire many people have: how to make your body longer. While we can't magically make you taller, we do have some practical tips to help you optimize your posture and achieve the appearance of a longer body. So, let's get started. Segment 1. Posture correction. One of the simplest ways to create the illusion of a longer body is by correcting your posture. Slouching can compress your spine and make you appear shorter. Here are a few tips to improve your posture. Stand tall. Imagine a string pulling you up from the top of your head, elongating your spine. Engage your core. Strengthening your core muscles can help you maintain a more upright posture. Avoid slumping. Be mindful of your sitting and standing positions, avoiding slumping or hunching over. Segment 2. Stretching exercises. Stretching exercises can help improve flexibility, lengthen muscles, and contribute to better posture. Here are a few stretches that can make you feel taller. Forward fold. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and gently bend forward, reaching towards your toes. Hold the stretch for 20-30 seconds. Cat-cow stretch. Begin on all fours, arching your back up like a cat, then dropping it down and lifting your chest like a cow. Repeat this flow for a few minutes. Cobra pose. Lie on your stomach, place your hands on the floor beside your shoulders, and lift your upper body, arching your back. Hold for 20-30 seconds. Segment 3. Strengthening exercises. Strengthening your muscles can improve your overall body posture and give the impression of a longer frame. Here are some exercises to focus on. Planks. Get into a push-up position, resting on your forearms, and hold the position for as long as you can, gradually increasing the time. Pilates. Pilates exercises such as the Pilates roll-up can engage your core muscles and improve your posture. Yoga. Practicing yoga regularly can help lengthen and strengthen your muscles, giving you a more elongated appearance. Segment 4. Clothing and styling tips. Now that we've covered exercises and posture, let's discuss how clothing and styling choices can help create the illusion of a longer body. Vertical stripes. Wearing clothes with vertical stripes can make you appear taller by creating the perception of length. Monochromatic outfits. Opt for outfits in a single color to create a seamless look, which can give the impression of a longer body. High-waisted bottoms. Wearing high-waisted pants or skirts can visually elongate your legs and make you appear taller. Conclusion. While we can't physically change our height, we can certainly work on our posture, flexibility, and styling choices to create the illusion of a longer body. Remember, confidence is key, and embracing your unique body is the most important thing. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.